Hi, my name is Tyler McNamer, and I would like to ask you a question. Did you know that it takes about 25 years for the human brain to fully mature? That's right. I learned this just recently from my therapist not too long ago, and after a while of a long period of absence that includes studying and reading and doing some more research, I came to understand that in the development of autism, it is no different than the development of anyone without autism before the age of 25. So I'd like to go back for a moment. For those who are under 25 and feel like that they have made many mistakes, they keep in mind this. Think of it this way: you make tons of mistakes as long as you learn from these mistakes, and whenever you make mistakes, make it your goal to not to hide from the world. Make it a goal to take it easy. Don't be so hard on yourself. Make it a goal to remind yourself that you are still in development, because at under the age of 25, you are still developing up here. So you're still in development. You will see the results when that day comes, and you'll get to understand what kind of person you will become afterwards. So keep on trying, keep on doing, and keep on making those mistakes. Keep on learning from these mistakes, and keep on finding solutions to avoid these mistakes from happening. Because at the age of 25, you'll get to see the results. It's all up to you to figure out what kind of person that you want to be. So that's all for now. My name is Tyler McNamer, signing off, and it's time to get to work. Get to work to make it work in Autismworks. Thank you so much.